Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today this is just a fun fact video. I have this 2000 Chevy Blazer and the question is, how long should a radiator hose last? I'm talking about an upper radiator hose on this 2000 Chevy Blazer. I checked it out online and I found out a radiator hose should last anywhere up to 5 years if you take proper care of your car, change the fluids and so on, and up to about 68,000 miles. Well, this 2000 Chevy Blazer has 198,000 miles on it. This is the hose that I just pulled off. You can see where it was leaking, and I'm glad it was just a radiator hose that was leaking. And according to this hose, there's a date on here, if the camera's picking this up, of 9/1/99. Well, it's now October 2021. So this hose, unless this was sitting on a shelf and it was changed once before, I bought this Blazer used, this hose is 21 years old. I don't know if that's possible or not, but here it is. Now, just a quick tip, and this video will be over. When you go to remove this hose, it's a lot easier if you remove this air intake and the cover off the throttle body. Here's the outlet to the thermostat, and it goes under here and right to the radiator. Just a little tip, not to struggle with the hose. Simple, easy repair. I have a link to the hose down below, and it's a good time for me also to do a flush out. I haven't flushed out this radiator or this engine block in a couple of years. Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, pass it along. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And be sure to hit that notification bell not to miss my new videos as I upload them. Until next time, be safe.